The second wave of the coronavirus pandemic is deadlier and taking a toll on all facets of human endeavor. Churches are affected too. Religious leaders, while doing all they can to spiritually keep the flock in tune, are also assisting the government by putting measures in place within their domain to curtail the spike in number of infections. At the New Revelation Baptist Church, Ikeja, the Sunday service was quick and short, while hand wash stations were placed at the entrance. At Horeb Cathedral in Odba, a mini service was held with provisions made for the washing and sanitizing of hands before entering the church. The Chapel of Christ Delight, Alausa, had banners with bold inscriptions urging congregants to use their face masks and ensure social distancing. A basin for washing hands and an automated sanitizer are also visible. For those who couldn't be physically present, the service was streamed live using social media platforms. The Lagos television crew also visited the Saviour's Ministry, CNS, where congregants were first screened and given hand sanitizer before entering the auditorium. At this time, the spiritual heads say it is necessary for churches and citizens to also assist the government whichever way they can in combating the virus spread.
You can see around you all the measures that are supposed to be put in place. They've been put in place. And we thank God for our members. They are cooperating and they are doing the necessary things. And you can see in our service today, everybody will follow the protocol of the season.
Everything the Bible prophesies against the end time is having its fulfillment in our day, and we have been saying this. So we should try as much as possible to live our life according to the Bible principle, and at the same time to listen to what government is saying by abiding by all protocols and guidelines of COVID-19 is for our benefit.
The government has been saying it, the federal government, the state government, our governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu has been saying it, that you must maintain social distancing, you must wear your face mask, hand sanitizers, and wash your hands regularly. So if they are coming here without a face mask, that means they are not following the rules, and we will not allow them in the church.
When the government has given their directive, I wish or I want the churches to reduce the number of the service and their time of services during the weeks, that they should not bring children and elderly people to the church, and they should take all the normal procedure for this COVID-19 to save ourselves and to save the government from being too much stress.
While offering hope of an end to the pandemic, they want more to be done to further educate the public on the severity of the pandemic and the need to ensure safety.
More publicity and more information should be passed around, because some of our people they are ignorant of what is happening. But those of us who know that this pandemic is real, it's real, and then what we should need to do, the government should do more. The government is trying, but they should do more to make sure that awareness is created so that everybody can be carried along.
We also need to watch what we eat. You understand? We maintain what we eat, and a lot of people talk about taking hot water, steaming, regularly. These are things that people usually do in the house now. But first things first, those laid down protocols must be followed.
As isolation centers and oxygenated facilities are being overwhelmed all over the country, religious leaders are hopeful that if citizens align with government safety guidelines, the spike in the number of infections will drastically fall. Lekan, Onabanjo, LTV News.